Hi, this is Rahim Zulfikar Ali. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to quickly create a summary report as a purpose of MIS, Management Information System. And the data set in this example is based on the HR human resources. The concept will remain the same. So if you find similar kind of situation in your business case, so you can use this particular solution as well. So I will be demonstrating a practical use case to prepare a summary report, and I will be using dynamic array formula so that you can experience something new and learn new things in Excel 365 version. So let's get started. I have a data and it consists of 3 columns: employee numbers, employee names, and the trainings they have got so far. Okay. So for example, if I filter any employee number, let's say a random name. So this particular employee has taken almost 11 different kind of trainings. Okay. If I filter another randomly employee number, so this person has taken almost 5. So similarly, every person in this particular list has contained some number of trainings. It could be 3, 4, 2, 6. Okay. Now what I need to do is I need to create a quick summary report for my boss, and he needs to have employee numbers in one column, their names, and all the trainings together, whatever the trainings they have got, their names, and also the count of those trainings. Okay. And in a summarized way. So how are we going to do that? Let's get started. All right, so this data is already in a table format, and the name I have assigned is database. Okay. So let's go to the summary sheet and let's start writing the dynamic array formulas. So the first will be group by. The first argument of group by is the raw fields. So we need to get employee number and names from the data sheet. Okay. So I will not go manually there. I will call the names. So the table name is database and I need employee numbers. Okay. Colon sign, another column from the database table, that is employee name. Then values, we need the outputs from the database table, the names of the trainings. Okay. And how we need to fetch those training names is basically the multiple names, different names to be in one column. So we'll use ARRAYTOTEXT as a function. We don't need the field headers. We don't need the total. So we'll put 0 and let's close the bracket. So as soon as I press enter key, I got all the employee numbers, their names, and each employee consists of different types of training and different number of trainings. And that is being fetched from that database sheets, right? Very, very awesome thing. Now, I also need to have how many trainings each employee has taken so far. So I need the count as well for each of the names. Okay. So what I will do is, so I need to add another calculation. So I will add a function called HSTACK, bracket open. I need ARRAYTOTEXT, and then I need another calculation count A, bracket close, press the enter key. So as soon as I press the enter key, you can see I got 2 calculations, the count and the names of the training, but I don't want this first row of headings. Okay, so I need to eliminate that. So what I can do is I can use the drop function, and I will say that I need to eliminate the first row. So I am putting 1 at the end. So that's excluded the first row which contains the header. Okay. Now I need to sort as well based on the employee numbers. Okay, from ascending to descending. So for that I will use sort function, comma, and sort index based on the first column. And how I need to sort is ascending to descending. So I will put another 1 at the end, close the bracket, and you can see my data is being sorted, right? If I want to sort based on this count, so I need to see in such a way that the maximum number of trainings people first. Okay, so descending to ascending based on count column, which is the 4th column. So I need to do a little bit of modification here. So let's say in the sort function, I will choose the sort index, that is the 4, that is the 4th column, and -1 So now you can see that the highest number of trainings employees have been sorted accordingly, right? So this is how this is the beautiful thing about dynamic array formulas. We have used group by, drop, sort, and HSTACK for multiple calculations such as array to text or in the count A. So see, just a single formula of a combination of dynamic array formulas has solved our very complex problem as a solution, and very quickly we got our desired result. Okay, so we have used the sort based on particular employee number column from ascending to descending. Drop, why? Because we need to exclude the first header of calculation names. Group by is basically grouping based on employee number and names, and giving us, and we need a training as a values based on their count, and array to text their names as well, multiple names. So that's how it works. So I hope you like this video as a practical use case. Thank you.